Hello, my name is Araya Vila Paternini. Course English 2 Word Level 1. My teacher is Shakira Beatriz Wilson Escalona. Activity video presentation. My favorite person is my dad. His name is Marcelino Avila. He has 8 years old. His birthday is 30 July. Nationality, my dad is from Colombia, city of birth. The city of birth is Montería, Córdoba. Occupation, my father is and work independent. Free times, my dad in free time likes to watch the news and in the afternoon watch movies. In the likes to listen to music and tell just jokes. Activities you like to do. My dad likes to play with my little sister. He really likes to cook. He likes to grow plants and vegetables. Thank you for your attention.